Unlocking the secret to skyrocketing online course sales lies in one powerful platform, Instagram. Daly has seen her following explode by sharing engaging content that captivates and inspires her audience. Her Instagram Reels offer a unique glimpse into her textured art process, showcasing creativity and inviting curiosity. These creative snippets not only promote her workshops but convert viewers into eager customers wanting to learn. Daly pre-sold her courses, building excitement before the content was even created, ensuring demand was high. A strategic pricing model allowed her to reach more aspiring artists, making her workshops accessible to all. Surprisingly, her international audience expands across continents, proving creativity knows no borders in today's digital world. By utilizing student feedback, Daly evolves her offerings, aligning with what her followers are truly seeking. Her commitment to family means balancing work and life, transforming passion into a thriving business together. Join the journey of creativity, connection, and growth. Embrace the possibilities waiting beyond your first brushstroke.